Morning, YouTube. Outside with my mom. So, it was freezing last night. I don't know if you guys can see me because I can barely see you. Oh, who's carrying my phone? Anyways, it frosted over everywhere. Lucky enough, not any of the water buckets. Of course, Sal, our precious donkey. Where is he? Salvador! Yeah, you can barely see them with that sunlight. Hey, at least it's going to get warmer today. They said it's going to be at least 65. Pretty much it was cold. Very, very cold. Everyone woke up stuffy. And, oh my gosh, it's just crazy. And plus, it's really cool because you see all this smoke, all the steam from the fences coming off where the sun is shining. And it's super cool. Are we giving them mush this morning?
Yeah.
Mush morning! We'll see because it was super cold. Valentina, our little baby of the farm, as soon as she saw our new little buggy, my mom calls it, what does mom calls it?
A hoop-de-loop.
Mom calls it a hoop-de-loop. For me, I'm calling it the buggy.
Alright, I'm gonna check to make sure the water is not broken.
Okay. This is why I like watching the news. Because I know when it's going to be cold or not. Oh, she's inside there. She's in the warm spot. So we just transferred, well, last night, 4 of the horses to the front pasture. From the back pasture to the front pasture. And they all go crazy nuts because they need hay so they can stay warm. And my mom bought a giant bag of hay. Okay, that isn't broken. I also in my working clothes because I worked at the mall, a little seasonal job, selling toys. Gina!
What?
Just one can?
Well, yeah, that's all we ever give them.
Okay. Hopefully it does get a lot more warmer. Because, oh my god, it's cold. And now my mom's walking around with her crutches because she had surgery on her hip. Walking around the farm in her crutches, checking everything. Am I giving a full one to Lulu?
Yeah.
Okay. Lulu is Valentina's mama. And she can be mean. That's the nicest word I can say. And she has this quirk about her. So, you know how usually the horses, they swing their butt right over and like right about to kick you? Well, she does both. She swings her butt over to try to kick you, and she swings her butt over for you could give her a butt rub. So, only time I trust giving that horse butt scratches is when I'm on the other side of the fence because she can't kick me. Give the donkey some food. Oh. I'm wearing 2 layers of shirts, a jacket, a scarf, and another jacket. I will be wearing my gloves, but they have nice kind of gloves and I don't want them getting messed up. And there's Reese, our pit bull, that somehow, I don't know how she is not cold. But she likes feeding all the horses with us because she can eat the droppings. Droppings as in the food droppings, not the actual droppings. Valentina! Chill! See, I know it's Valentina. Oh, Gigi was about to do her sound. I call it the morning honk. Everyone's getting mushed for this morning. Look how cold it was last night. Yeah.
Give the donkey some water?
Yeah, I'm going. Go and give them a bit of a mush too.
Come on, Gigi. Come on, Gigi.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
I love that sound.
Come on, baby.
It's so funny.
Come on.
Oh, right. You guys didn't get the video when the vet was here. Okay, so apparently she's not, like, over prego. They still think she's prego, but not, like, over 5 months prego. YouTube. What do you think? If she is really prego, do you think it's gonna be a boy or a girl? Just fat. I don't know why it's still staying at 31 degrees. But the sun feels good. I'm just picking up all the pellets for the mush. Okay. Oh my goodness, they're going to break that door down. Oh my god, it's actually Angel. She's doing it too. Angel is my mom's horse. My other mom. The one I'm with right now. Her horse is with Angel, Lena, and Gambler. I like to call him Gam Gam or Gamby. Because he's a very sweet horse. And my gloves fell out of my pockets. So that's my update today at this crazy farmhouse. Because we sort of have a zoo and everyone likes to act their own special way. Guys, try to keep warm wherever you are.